Hello everyone, how you guys are doing? I hope you're having an amazing Monday. Today is Monday, a great basically I guess what I'm trying to say is Monday is usually the day you start your week out, so I hope your day is starting off on a positive note. I want to do a video, of course, talking about late payment tips. Now, check out my previous video when I gave more of a late payment facts. Okay, I did have tip on my above my caption of my video but I meant to say facts. But what I probably would do is I probably have this I'll probably include that footage or that video footage with this one towards the end, so you can kind of know what I'm talking about. But overall, I just want to go ahead and go over late payment tips, just for anyone that has no idea what to do when when they get in a situation when they start being late on their payments. It happens to all of us, and so it's sometimes it's the word I guess I'm trying to say. It's sometimes it's like it's unavoidable, like you know, something that you can't really like escape, I guess, sometimes, because things do come up, you know, whether we want it to or not, it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So late payment tips. So remember, your payment history affects your credit report by 35%. So your credit score can drastically go down when you start making late payments. Score can drop to 80 to 100 points to 100 points. So contact your creditor or the lender. A lot of times we don't want to contact them because we think it will just go away, and in reality we only making things worse. So keep in mind, our late payments is still active account, so it has not closed, so we can fix and work on a solution to get your payments back in good standing. Explain your situation why you were late on making your payments. A lot of times these creditors or lenders will work with you, but you will have to just ask them. Now, if your account has closed and is no longer active, you can write a goodwill letter that creditor or lender, and inside that letter, plead your case and explain what happened. Contact the company and ask for removal of the late payment off your credit report. Again, get that in writing and have them to mail the late payment removal. And you just got to remember, having good credit is power. You can do so much with good credit. Like I said, I hope this was all helpful. I really, really do. And definitely take key to what I just said about having good credit is power. It really is power. I can't really stress that enough. But you know, you got to take you know, having a good credit score seriously, okay, because it can get you so far when you do have good credit. I mean, I'm pretty much sure you witnessed it, saw it for yourself, how there's people that actually literally said, hey, they had very low interest rate on their car payments. That's because they had good credit, okay? It's sad to say, but we're high statistically where there's more people with poor credit than it is people with good credit, and we don't want it to be like that. We want that to get overturned. We want that those numbers to reverse. Like, we want where more people have good credit and less people have poor credit, or actually in my case, I'd rather for everyone to have good credit, but you know, it doesn't work like that. So we ourselves individually, we have to want to have good credit, and we have to work on it, because no one's going to do it for you. You have to do it for yourself, and you can personally work on your own credit yourself, or if you don't trust yourself to do it, you can hire someone to do it for you. But either way, it starts with you. It starts with you getting it seen about. Okay, that's it. That's just my late payment advice, tip, and recommendations. If you have any questions about anything, you can contact me, reach out to me. I do have a credit repair agency called Keke's Credit Solutions and Investing. If you want to reach out to me, you can. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys. Sorry, y'all, this is more of a late payment facts, not tips, so apologize for that.